It's a demo day at our little reno house, so that means we're a little closer to creating our dream home. Hi, I'm Amanda. If you're new to this series, Underwater and Over Budget, my fiance and I are renovating our 1950s Florida home after it took a major hit from Hurricane Helene. This episode is all about our layout and how we're turning our home inspo into reality, and believe it or not, the vision all started with chalk. Yes, chalk. Who knew this would be the most efficient tool in creating our floor plan? I won't say that the room design didn't change about a million times, but luckily chalk is washable, so we could keep envisioning and fine-tuning the design until we got it right just in time for demo day. For the kitchen, we wanted to make it more open and walkable from the living room, so we planned to open up this wall to create another doorway, and from there we had to figure out the proper spacing in between our future countertops and cabinets to the island size, and here's what it looks like after demo day. It already is feeling like a totally different space. We were so excited when we saw this new doorway, and the flow was so much better between the rooms. Remember the 90s bathroom from episode 1? Yeah, she's getting a total overhaul. Our vision was to remove this old chimney that we randomly found in the wall, move the sink and the toilet over, and turn the window into a door to transform this bathroom into not only just a guest bath, but an actual pool bath as well. This was something that was so high on my list of things I wanted to change in this house, and I'm so happy we were able to do it. Before this, we had to walk soaking wet from the pool throughout the entire house just to use the restroom, so this was a major win for me. Our primary bedroom is going to look almost unrecognizable when we're finished with it. If you remember, the entrance to our primary bedroom was through the kitchen, but now it just won't work with the updated kitchen floor plan, so we ended up moving the doorway to a different location. Last week, I mentioned a bigger closet, and that is already in the works. Super exciting. And for the primary bathroom, this glass wall is coming down, and we're doing something a little bit more open and spa-like. We're going to be adding a bathtub in the corner, which I think will be a better use of space. We're keeping this arch, which is going to be such a unique focal point, and it's already looking so good after demo day. For next week's video, we'll be picking out our kitchen countertops and cabinets to really bring our vision to life, and you'll get an update on all the framing that's been done since demo day, so make sure to subscribe because this is just the beginning. See you next week.